As we enter a time of big changes in technology, it's crucial for students to know what's ahead. Learning how to use the technology and preparing with it isn't just a bonus, it's a vital part of their education. EDSCA leading in technology education, offering courses in programming, data science, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. EDSCA was founded by industrial experts with over 15 years of experience. Our journey was started small initially, but now it's a premier destination for the tech education. We are committed to bridging the gap between the industrial demands and the skills availability. When it comes to main features in EDSCA, we provide cutting-edge curriculum tailored to industry needs, interactive learning platform for collaborations, and innovative teaching methods. We also offer skill development, faculty empowerment, curriculum enhancement, research, innovation support, internship and placement assistance, industry partnerships, community engagements, infrastructure development, and resource sharing. Ultimately, EDSCA is your complete technology educational partner. So, together, let's empower students for success in the digital world.